Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope your day is perfect in every way. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn letter K. And letter K says K. K says K. Before coming to the reading part, let's have a story. Kilo is a sad koala. Kittu, the kitten, comes to play with him every day. But Kilo always sleeps. One day, Kittu meets Dr. Kangaroo. Kilo does not play with me. He is always sad, says Kittu. Dr. Kangaroo gives him a golden key and says, "Keep it on Kilo's head." Kittu comes and keeps the key on Kilo's head. Kilo wakes up and smiles at Kittu. They play every day now. Let's recall all the pictures which we have done. Koala, koala. Kitten, kitten. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Key, key. How was the story, kids? I hope you have enjoyed it. Now, let's come to the reading part. Which letter is this? This is letter K. Which letter is this? K. And K says K. K says K. Tell me, which picture is this? Yes, we have seen this in story also, right? Yes, it was a doctor. So tell me, which animal is this? It's a kangaroo. Which picture is this? It's a picture of a kangaroo. And when we are saying kangaroo, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is K. And K is the sound of which letter? K. So how to read it? K, kangaroo. Now look here. Which picture is this? Kite. What is it? Kite. And when we are saying kite, kite. The sound that is coming first from our mouth is K. And K is the sound of letter K. Kite. And who is holding this kite? It's a kid, as you all are. Yes, a kid is holding a kite. So when we are saying kid, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is K. And K is the sound of letter K. So K, kid. Now look at the picture. Who is this sitting here? He is a king. Who is this? King. So when we are saying king, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is K. And K is the sound of which letter? K. So K, king. Okay, tell me, who is king's wife called? What do we call king's wife? Queen. Right? King's wife is known as queen. Okay. Now, can you see something else near the queen? Something is there. Yes. What is it? What is this here? It's a key. What is this? Key. And when we are saying key, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is K. And K is the sound of letter K. So now let's revise all the pictures. This is letter K and this is kangaroo. K ka kangaroo. K ka kangaroo. K ka kid. K ka kid. And what is in his hand? Kite. So how to read? K ka kite. Speak again. K ka kite. K ka king. K ka king. And K ka key. K ka key. Now let's do the written part. This is letter K. What is it? Letter K. First, I have told you to trace it with the help of your pointer finger. Take out your pointer finger, everyone. Yes. Right hand side, first finger. So make a K. Standing line, slant line, and one more slant line. Okay. How to make standing line? Go up, make slant line, and then come down making slant line. Let's do it with the help of pencil. How to make slant line? Sorry, it's a standing line. Okay, what is this? Standing line. And then again make slant line. And now when you are touching it in the center of the standing line, come down and make slant line. Now let's do it in the lines. What have I told you? Start from the red line. Make standing line. Okay. Now keep the pencil on the red line and come in the center. This blue line, middle line is the center. So we will come here in the center. And without lifting pencil, make slant line again like this. Till blue line. Don't cross blue line. Let's do it again. What have I told you earlier? What we are to make? Standing line. So make standing line first. And afterwards keep pencil on the red line. Make slant line till second line. And you are not to lift the pencil. And make slant line like this. Okay. Let's do it without dots. As I have told you that we are to start from red line. So we are going to start from red line. Okay. So make standing line like this. And which is this middle part? This one. Okay. Center. So we will bring slant line here in the center like this. And you are not to lift the pencil. Make one more slant line downward. This is letter K. Let's do it again. Standing line. Keep the pencil on the red line. Make slant line in the middle and come down in a slant position. I hope you have come to know how to read the pictures of letter K and how to write letter K. So that's all from my side today. Bye-bye.